Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the launch of the 8th edition of the Zydus Pinkathon in New Delhi. I'd like to thank the members of the press. Doctor, good afternoon. And also the ambassadors of Pinkathon for being here. A big cheer for the ambassadors, number one. Yeah, first on. And they've done a fantastic effort through the pandemic years. This is the first time we're coming back to New Delhi after the pandemic. It's been fantastic. And we hope to make the event bigger than ever on the 8th of March. But thank you all for coming. And we need, obviously, a lot of support from the media that is here. I'd like to thank first the Hyatt Regency, Hyatt Hotels for their hospitality. Mr. Wadhwa, could I request you to come on stage and we will felicitate you with some, do you like flowers? I hope you like flowers. We don't have any mithai, I know it's Lori, but we have flowers. Thank you to the Hyatt. So the Hyatt has been a constant partner with us. We thank them in every families bhi hoti hai, jobs hote hai, businesses hote hain. And the last person to get any kind of attention is the woman herself. So we wanted to change that perspective and we said कि अगर आपको 100% अपने family को देना है, 100% अपने job को देना है, 100% अपने business को देना है, तो आपको 100% पहले बनना होगा. You don't want to give less than 100%. And to give 100%, to become 100%, you need to give that little bit of time to yourself. थोड़ा सा समय अपने लिए निकालना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. थोड़ा सा समय. I mean, to give you my own example, लोग समझते हैं कि मैं बहुत fit हूँ, और हूँ, बहुत fit हूँ, काफ़ी fit हूँ. But I exercise about 10 minutes every day. मैं कभी जिम नहीं जाता, मैं जिम नहीं गया. It's very fluid. जैसे मुझे समय मिलता है, वो समय का मैं उपयोग करता हूँ. And that is something I like to tell people who say that we have no time. And I think women are the busiest of all. कि घर का भी देखना पड़ता है, बाहर जॉब का देखना पड़ता है, बिजनेस का देखना पड़ता है, हर चीज़ में उनका टाइम जाता है. And it's very important that they take out some time for themselves. तो हमने 3 kilometers के साथ शुरुआत की, क्योंकि अगर बोलेंगे कि 10 करो, तो anybody would say that 10 kilometer कैसे हो सकता है? It's too much, right? For the first time. So we started with the 3 kilometer and the 5 kilometer and the 10 kilometer कि इसके साथ शुरुआत करो, walking, running, jogging, जो भी आपसे होता है. And then we found कि there were a lot of reasons why women were not participating. कि नहीं, मैं तो शॉर्ट्स नहीं पहन सकती, टाइट्स नहीं पहन सकती, मैं तो सिर्फ साड़ी में कंफर्टेबल हूँ. And we made it easy for them to participate in sari. We were one of the first events, or maybe the first event, to start sari runs across the country, to make it easier. Then another thing was, you know, I just had a baby, I need to stay at home, my baby needs me. And we started baby wearing mothers coming to Pinkathon. We were the first event to create a breastfeeding zone in the event so that breastfeeding mothers could participate. Or abhi, they're participating in big numbers. So like this, we started many, many initiatives within the event कि no woman should feel left behind. कि मैं इस कारण से नहीं आ सकती, या मैं इस कारण से exercise नहीं कर सकती, या दौड़ नहीं सकती. We tried to address every single one of those issues. But I'm very happy to say, जिन्होंने 3 किलोमीटर के साथ शुरुआत की, फिर वो 5 किलोमीटर पे गए, फिर वो 10 किलोमीटर पे गए. And eventually they started asking कि इसके आगे हम क्या कर सकते हैं? And just after the pandemic, when we came back, of course, Mumbai में, पहले edition after the pandemic, we started under Ankita Kuwar's guidance, who is now an Ironman, of course. We started the 50 kilometer, 75 kilometer, and 100 kilometer categories. And again, according to me, in India, it is the only event that goes from the beginner level 3 kilometer to the ultra level 100 kilometer running event. वो भी महिलाओं के लिए. And incredibly, इतना अच्छा response आया in Mumbai in December, पिछले महीने में, the oldest woman to do the 100 kilometers was 68. She started with 3 kilometers at the Pinkathon. उन्होंने पिंकाथॉन में शुरुआत की 3 किलोमीटर वॉक के साथ और अभी वो 100 किलोमीटर दौड़ सकती है within 24 hours. The oldest woman to do the 50 kilometers was 76. So this is the kind of inspiring story that we want to tell everyone. In the 75 kilometer, the woman who ran, I think she was also over 50, I'm not sure. I shouldn't say that in public, but yeah, I think so. And she ran the 75 kilometer in a sari, just to show again कि कोई excuse नहीं होना चाहिए. You want to run even 100 kilometers, you can do it in a sari. So that is what we have been seeing in terms of growth at Pinkathon. And of course, in the 8th edition in Delhi, we have the same distances. 3 kilometer भी है शुरुआत के लिए, 5 kilometer है, 10 kilometer है, 50 kilometer है, 75 kilometer है और 100 kilometer है. So big round of applause for the women at Pinkathon, क्योंकि because of them we are here. So big round of applause. You can clap. Because of them, in every city, कि this is what we want to show the world कि ये हो सकता है, to show each and every woman. And what we do is, जो भी दौड़ता है in these 24 hours, the 100 kilometers, 75 and 50, we bring them onto stage before the 3, 5 and 10 kilometer, दिखाने के लिए कि आज आपकी शुरुआत है, लेकिन ये हो सकता है आपके साथ, ये आप कर सकती हो. देखो ये 60 साल की महिला है, वो करती है, 70 साल की है, वो कर सकती है, 80 साल की है, वो कर सकती है, तो आप क्यों नहीं कर सकती? You know, so this is a very, very inspiring event. Incredible stories of grit and resilience and strength. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm happy to introduce to you the founder of the Invincible Women category in Pinkathon, Ankita Kuar. And I'd like her to say a few words in Hindi.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for coming here, and happy Lori to everyone.
Happy Lori!
Happy Lori. So we celebrated this morning Lori with a 3-kilometer run in our traditional attire, just to begin with.
काफी ठंड थी.
Yeah, I think it was 5
अभी तक
degrees.
जैकेट उतरा नहीं है.
So sweet. But to talk about the Invincible Women Run, it was inspired by the, as Milind already said, it was inspired by the women of Pinkathon. The kind of stories that we saw over a period of time, you know, people started running 3 kilometers and they aspired to run more and more. They aspired to do ultras. So it is not always possible for a woman to leave the house and, you know, travel to a different city, because we did have the city-to-city run. But it's not always feasible for each one of us to leave the house and, you know, our home, our families, to go to a different city and do a long-distance run. So during the pandemic, we decided, you know, why not create a space where women would be more comfortable being at home, but also being able to do an ultra in the city itself. Since they want to do more, because, you know, now we have come from 3 kilometers to 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, to running even a marathon. Now we want to explore more. So we said, you know, let's create a space for women where they feel comfortable and safe enough to run through the night, because for 100 kilometers, we give you 24 hours cutoff. For 50 kilometers, 12 hours, and for 75 kilometers, you get 18 hours. So when the cutoffs are that easy, it also inspires women to, and kind of, they aspire to be able to do more. So it happened. The first edition, we saw quite a few women coming out and saying, you know, I'm going to be able to do 50 kilometers, I'm going to be able to do 100 kilometers. But the second edition, we saw a growth, almost twice as much the first. And it was so incredible to see that, you know, women inspiring other women. It's not the athletes, you know, you see, okay, athletes are, you know, they're training since they're children, you know, they're going to be able to do something amazing. That's great. They're doing, their entire life is dedicated to a particular sport. That's amazing. But what happens to the women who are working, who are taking care of their families, who are taking care of each aspect, right, in their homes? So what happens to that woman who wants to do something more beyond the mundane things in life. So this was so incredible to see that so many women inspired the other women to come out, to explore more, to see that they can go beyond. And it is, the ultra is about going beyond, you know, any ultra that you do. And anybody who has run, they realize how easy it is to do 50 kilometers in 12 hours and then 100 kilometers in 24 hours. They'd be able to do it because the mental ability as a woman we have, the resilience that we have, is so incredibly powerful. Any woman here who has gone through their life, right, I'm sure they understand how incredibly resilient we are. And anybody who has targeted to do anything, I'm sure they have gone through obstacles. They have risen above every obstacle that they have faced, and today they are here in this room. And anybody who is not here, I want to say that please come on 7th of March and 8th of March, come and be a part of it and see the change, be a part of the change. I have been a part of this change. In fact, I started my running journey with Pinkathon in 2015 with the 10 kilometers. And now I do different Ironmans in different countries. So I think it's a journey. Thank you. It's a journey for all of us. And to be able to explore that within us, we have to inspire each other. We have to come out and speak about it. We have to show that we are capable of doing it. And the only way that's going to happen if we stand by, we stand with each other, stand by each other while we are doing so, and support each other while trying to achieve something great in our lives. So thank you again for coming here and being a part of the change. I hope we're going to see an amazing edition, first edition of Invincible Women here with Pinkathon, and it will be amazing. Thank you.
So to encourage women with visual impairment not to feel left behind and that they could not be part of this event. So our initiative right from the beginning has been to encourage as many visually impaired women to participate as possible in every single city. I'm very happy to tell you that we created a world record in Mumbai in December, where more than 100 visually impaired women ran in the Pinkathon. Again, I think we were the first event to create a Braille medal. The medal is in Braille. Braille एक ऐसी भाषा है जो feel करके हम read कर सकते हैं. अगर medal को हम ऐसे feel करें, तो the medal says I ran Pinkathon, और दूसरे side में लिखा है I inspire. So just by feeling it, so that all the visually impaired women who participate can understand the message on their medal. Now, even more special than that is we have, for the first time in Delhi, at the age of 42, an administrative officer with a multinational insurance company, such a powerful example of resilience doing the 50 kilometers. We have Aarti Limje, who is visual meters in the Invincible Women's category at the Pinkathon, New Delhi. Thank you, Aarti, for coming. और पहली बार आप 50 किलोमीटर दौड़ने वाली हैं. ज़रा बताइए लोगों को कैसी आपकी रही जर्नी.
सबको नमस्कार. सारे दिल्ली वालों को तहे दिल से मैं शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ कि यहाँ पे मुझे बुलाया गया है मिलिंद सर की तरफ से एंड पिंकाथॉन इनविंसिबल वुमेन की तरफ से. मैं 2015 से पिंकाथॉन के साथ जुड़ी हुई हूँ. मैं 100% विजुअली चैलेंज्ड हूँ एंड मेरी जर्नी हुई है 2015 से 10 किलोमीटर से. बेसिकली मैं एथलीट हूँ एंड 2010 के बाद मेरी जो विज़न है पूरी तरह से लॉस हो गई थी. उसके बाद ही मैं पिंकाथॉन से जुड़ के एक एथलीट बनी हूँ क्योंकि मैंने रनिंग से स्टार्ट किया एंड फिटनेस तो ये मेरे पहले से ही था कि मैं बचपन से एक क्रेज़ी थी स्पोर्ट के लिए. और देखा जाए तो आई लॉस ऑफ माई विजन. मुझे पिंकाथॉन ने अपने पैरों पे खड़ा किया पहली बात, तो उसके लिए ज़ोरदार तालियां हो जाए. जब मैंने 10 किलोमीटर रन किया 2015 में, मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा. अगेन मैं वीआई कैटेगरी में जो भी ओलंपिक्स गेम होते, पैरालंपिक्स गेम, उसमें उतरी और आज 2 टाइम्स इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर हूँ पैरालंपिक गेम गोल बॉल की. एंड मैं जस्ट अभी पटना से आई हूँ, एज अ कोच गई हूँ महाराष्ट्र टीम लेके वहाँ से मुंबई से, एंड पटना से दिल्ली यहाँ पे सफ़र करके आई हूँ आप सबको मिलने कि हम घर पे रह के भी अपने लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं। काम बहुत सारे होते हैं, मेरी भी फैमिली है, मैं भी ऑफिस संभालती हूँ, मैं एसोसिएशन संभालती हूँ, मैं काउंसलिंग करती हूँ, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें करती हूँ, कुकिंग करती हूँ, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। पर मैं स्पेशल टाइम अपने फिटनेस के लिए ज़रूर निकालती हूँ, क्योंकि हमारे पास अपना फिटनेस होना ज़रूरी है। उससे अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ एंड फिजिकल हेल्थ ये मेंटेन कर सकते हैं हम लोग। तो सब यहाँ पे जो भी बैठे हैं, मैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि एक शॉर्ट रन से स्टार्ट कीजिए 3 किलोमीटर से। हमने भी सबसे पहले 2015 में मैंने 50 गर्ल्स को उतारा था पिंकेथॉन के लिए, और इस साल 21 दिसंबर को 115 से ज़्यादा गर्ल्स हुई थी, जो वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में रिकॉर्ड हुआ है। और आज मुझे इतने कॉल आ रहे हैं कि मैम हम अगले साल 500 गर्ल्स मिलके आपका इवेंट बड़ा करवाएंगे। एंड हर एक स्टेट में हमें पिंकेथॉन को स्प्रेड करना है, कोऑर्डिनेट करना है वीआई गर्ल्स को एंड आप जैसे साइटेड पीपल्स को। रन करने के लिए कोई भी हमें डिसेबिलिटी हो, किसी प्रकार की मल्टीपल डिसेबिलिटी हो, किसी प्रकार की हो, ये बैरियर नहीं बन सकती, ना हमारे बीच में ब्रेकर बन सकता है। बस मन में विश्वास होना चाहिए और हम कुछ कर दिखाए, ये हमने ठान लिया तो हम दुनिया को सब कुछ करके दिखा सकते हैं। बस यू शुड स्टार्ट स्मॉल वॉक फ्रॉम 3 किलोमीटर, और ये 3 किलोमीटर कब 30 बन जाएगा, कब 50 बन जाएगा। और आज मैंने टास्क लिया है 50 किलोमीटर का, और मैं वो करके दिखाऊंगी। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Aarti ji. Really thank Aarti for your inspiration. Now, representing Zyrus, our title sponsor, who is with us across all cities, who of course came to us and said that this is a very important cause. We want to be a part of it. We want women everywhere to begin taking care of their health, and their focus was of course on breast cancer, and it has been one of the focuses of Pinkathon शुरू से कि breast cancer awareness की बहुत ज़रूरत है हमारे देश में. And of course we talk about all issues, all health awareness is part of Pinkathon. And we believe, of course, in preventive health, that when you begin to understand your body, you begin to understand your mind, you can catch any disease earlier and it becomes easier to cure. So breast cancer, in fact, is one of the curable cancers if it is caught in the early stages. So Zyrus, of course, is the title sponsor, Zyrus Pinkathon. And we have Dr. Manish Singhal here, leading oncologist, representing this cause with the concept of 2 हाथ 3 मिनट और एक आसान सा exam. Could you tell us a little bit more about that, doctor? And thank you very much for coming.
Thanks, Milind.